In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to further customize your prices on your inventory page and set price notes instead of prices. So if we look here, these vehicles, it just says price and it has the number. If we go back to our dashboard here, go into settings and preferences, we're just going to scroll down to this vehicle price preferences. Now this default price name, that's going to be what it says right here. So we could just change this to, for example, only save changes. Then if we refresh the page, we're going to see it's only $47,995. Now another option is we can not display a price and just have it say call for pricing or whatever you want to type in here. Right now that's enabled for all $0 price vehicles in our inventory. We can enable that for all vehicles and save. And then when we refresh, it's just going to say call for pricing on all our vehicles. We're probably going to want to remove this only. That's how that works. We also have customizable ways to change your pricing when you're using benchmarks, when you're showing the price difference, and if you're doing payment plan pricing, all customizable here as well. So that's in the settings, preferences, vehicle price preferences. And that's all for this tutorial.